And Jill's an intuitive healer, and she's going to take us through this amazing guided meditation. I hope you enjoyed as much as I am. I'm really looking forward to spending time with Jill. So without further ado, my name is Liz Naughton, and I'm your host to Soulful Conversations. So please, Jill, lead us into this beautiful guided meditation.
Thank you, Liz. All right, so take a moment and get comfortable. Find your seat if you're sitting up, or find a comfortable position lying down. Just sort of settle in to your space. And I invite you to close your eyes. Take a nice deep breath in through your nose and an audible exhale out through your mouth. Another deep breath in through your nose, sending the air all the way to the bottom of your feet. And an exhale out through your mouth. And one more time. In through the nose, sending it all the way to the bottom of your feet. And a giant exhale out through your mouth. And just allow your breathing to return to normal. And notice the breath. Notice the temperature of the air as it comes in. And the temperature of the air as it goes out. Notice the rise and fall of your chest with every breath. And bring your awareness to those points of contact you have with the surface. And allow those points of contact to soften, knowing that you're being held here and supported. And bring your awareness to your sit bones and sit a little bit deeper inside of yourself. Feel a little bit heavier. Bring your awareness to your heart center. Can you feel your heartbeat? Can you hear your heartbeat? Can you sense the vibration of your heartbeat throughout your body? In the space, you notice that there's a door in front of you. What's your door made out of? Is it made out of wood or metal? Maybe glass? Is it old? Is it new? Is there a design? Take a moment and look at this door, for this is the door to your sacred heart. And reach out in your mind's eye and open the door. And as you do so, you notice the light coming in. And as you take a step outside the door, you notice your feet on the earth, on this well-trodden dirt path. And as you start to walk down this path, you notice that it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining, and the temperature on your skin is just right for you. As you can continue down this path, you notice that there's a beautiful field of wildflowers to your right with all sorts of vibrant colors and some butterflies. And you hear some birds chirping in the distance. There's some trees to the left, and you can hear the gentle rustling of the leaves with the slight breeze. And you start to notice that up ahead is this beautiful crystal castle. And you continue to walk, getting closer and closer. Until you're standing in front of your castle. And take a moment and watch the sun as it glids off the crystal and sparkles like stars. There's 7 steps in front of you. And when you're ready, you can step onto the first step, and the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth, and the seventh. And you walk over to the door of this giant hall, and you take off your shoes, for this is a sacred space. And as you enter, you notice that the sunlight is coming through the crystal. And you notice all the beautiful rainbows that are dancing on the walls and on the floor. And the room is lit up. Take a moment and look around your sacred hall and your sacred heart center. What do you notice? And how do you feel? And up ahead in the middle of the hall, you notice that there's a pillar of golden light. And you make your way over to this pillar, feeling drawn to it. And as you step inside this pillar of golden light, you immediately feel enveloped by this sense of love. And it fills your body as this light cascades down your body. And you hear the words, "You are loved." And you are given permission to release anything that is not of love. Anything you no longer want to carry. Just let this golden light take it away. And this light starts to go down your crown. It makes its way into your heart center. And it starts to expand your heart center. And as you inhale, you fill up with this golden light. And And as you exhale, you expand your heart. Inhale, fill up. And exhale, expand. And as you're vibrating with this energy of love, you hear yourself say, I am love. And as those words settle in your system, you say it again. I am love. And you step out of this golden light, knowing that you are of it and it is of you. You carry this love wherever you go. And you start to make your way back to the door. And you turn to face this beautiful hall one more time. And from your heart, you give gratitude for the love that is in this space. And as you send your gratitude and love into this space for all that it has given, you receive love and gratitude back for all that you are. And you turn and collect your shoes from outside of the door. And you make your way to the steps. And as you look out, everything looks a little clearer, a little more vibrant. And you feel clearer and more vibrant. And you start to make your way down the steps. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you find yourself back on your path, making your way back up. And you still hear the birds chirping in the distance. And you pass the trees on the right. And the field of wildflowers on the left. And you notice the sun on your back. And you make your way to the door. And you take one more look back at the castle and at this space and at your sacred heart, knowing that this is within you and you can come back anytime you choose. And for now, we're going to make our way back through the door, back into your heart center, bringing all that love and gratitude with you and allowing it to fill up your human heart. And feel the points of contact you have with the surface. Notice the beating of your heart. Take a deep breath in through your nose and an audible exhale out through your mouth. One more in through your nose and out through your mouth. And when you're ready, you can bring your awareness to your eyes and allow them to open. How are you feeling?
Oh, thank you so much, Jill. I feel wonderfully relaxed. I also feel that I had an opportunity just to touch base with myself. And it's been a while since I've taken that kind of journey. I think even my voice sounds more resonant, which always happens when I get into a more relaxed, in touch feeling. I am loved. What a beautiful message to bring forth, not only throughout today, but also with the winter solstice coming up, the holidays, and actually moving into the new year. And how can I make that present, not only for myself, but for everyone that I come into contact with. So thank you so much. What a beautiful message. Is there anything else how can people get a hold of you, Jill, if they want to talk a little bit more about the meditation, or if they would like to work with you? What is the best way for someone to get in touch with you?
Yeah, I thank you for allowing me to guide you.
Yes.
I appreciate it. It's actually an honor for me. People can actually go to my website, jillbriansky.com. I don't know if there's any way to put that in the comments or whether you want me to just spell it. Okay, it's easier than spelling. Yeah, so I look forward to answering any questions or comments. I'm also a licensed clinical social worker, so I work on all aspects of the body in wholeness.
Excellent. Okay. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for listening today. What a beautiful way to start the day. I see that my puppy's here, someone at the door. So what great timing. Thank you, Jill.
Thank
And
you.
without further ado, you've already said it. Please know that you are loved, and namaste.